Do you do you believe this? These guys already make this part with the plywood, like the drain pipe has sticking up 4 inches minimum. So this part will be here, but this one, this edge should be flat with the plywood floor. So now they leave it like this. How can I put this one like this? So I have to do again this job. I have to remove the screws, and then I have to cut down this pipe. So the waterproofing guy is almost coming, and then they only doing they work. They didn't fix anything, so that's why I had to redo. So what's the way that I did? Again, you have to find some mark or put this part over the floor, and then we can get something to mark underneath, right? So we proceed to cut it. Now I cut it already, so before to put the glue, I want to make sure I cut it the correct size. So now it's even to the floor, even to the plywood. So this cut maybe is not a work it because this part has these little things where's the screws going, right? So it's not a fit. Look. I need to make a nice pattern here before to put this one. Have to make the hole in here, put it back, and then put the glue down in here, and then put it. So I like to share these problems and then how we can solution. I'm the contractor, so I send my guys to do this one, but if you find something that they told you everything that be ready, and then you take a look, and then you find something wrong. If you have experience, you can fix it right away, because I don't have the time to wait until my guy is coming to do this one. He forgot to cut it. He know how to do it, but he forgot to cut it. And then I have experience, I have knowledge upon me, so that's why I'm doing by myself.